Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to improve productivity with Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. Click on File and then select Open to open any PDF document. One of the easiest ways to save time is by using the search feature. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard, type a word or phrase, and Foxit will quickly find it in the document. This is much faster than scrolling through multiple pages. Next, use the zoom controls to adjust the page size. You can zoom in for detailed reading or zoom out to view more of the page at once. Now click on the View tab and explore the page display options. You can switch between single page and continuous mode. Continuous mode is useful when reading long documents because you can scroll smoothly without changing pages. If a page is displayed sideways, use the Rotate View option to rotate it instantly. This makes scanned or landscape documents much easier to read. Another useful feature is the Bookmarks panel. If the PDF contains bookmarks, open the Bookmarks panel and click any bookmark to jump directly to that section. This is very helpful for large reports, books, or manuals. You can also use the Recent Files list from the File menu to quickly reopen documents that you worked on recently. This saves time because you do not need to search for the file again. For even faster navigation, remember a few keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+F to search text, Ctrl+S to save changes, and use the mouse wheel while holding the Control key to zoom in or out. These simple features can help you read faster, find information quickly, and navigate large PDF files more efficiently. That's it. These are some of the best ways to improve productivity with Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.